Who is Allah? Allah is one. Allah has no father. Allah was no born. Allah has no wife. Allah is the one and alone. He has no partner. He has no wife. He is the one God. He will not die. He has no mother. He has no children. Allah is one. Allah has no need for children to live after him. Allah does not eat. Allah does not drink. Allah gives man to eat. Allah gives man to drink. Allah does not need to rest. Sleep does not come to him. Nothing tires him. Allah does not feel sleepy. Allah made everything. Allah made everything. Allah made everything from nothing. Once there was no sky. Once there was no earth. Once there was no flowers. Once there was no animals. Once there was no birds. Allah made everything. Allah made everything. Allah made the sky. He put the sun in the sky. He put the moon in the sky. He put the stars in the sky. He made the earth. He made the dry land. He made the mountains. He made the rivers. He made the seas. He made the oceans. He made the plants. He made the tall trees. He made the flowers in every color. He made all kinds of animals, big elephants, tigers, lions, dogs, and everything. He made the birds to fly high in the sky. What a wonderful world Allah has made. And just think, Allah made everything out of nothing. Is there anyone who can make anything out of nothing? What do we call it when Allah makes things out of nothing? We call it create. Who made everything without using anything? Allah. Only Allah can create. Nobody else can create. People made your home and everything that is in it. People made it from wood, material, and other things that Allah already created. Let us thank Allah for all the wonderful things He created for us. Respect Allah and read Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise and thanks due to Allah, who is the Lord of the worlds, who made everything. الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو. Where does a chicken come from? It comes from the egg. And where does an egg come from? It comes from a hen. Where does a hen come from? Allah made it out of nothing. So where do you find an apple fruits? It grows and on an apple tree. Where does that apple tree come from? It comes from another apple tree. Where does that apple tree comes from? Allah created it out of nothing. You can ask this question about all things and try to give an answer. This will show you that everything has a beginning and that everything also has an end, but not so with Allah. Allah has no start. Allah has no end. He has no beginning. He has no end. Allah is the living one. Allah is the giver of life. When you look at the sky, the sun, the moon, and the stars, whom do you think of? When you see the trees and the mountains, birds and animals, fish and oceans, whom do you think of? Allah. Create Adam. Allah created Adam. Adam was different from animals and plants in many ways. And Adam was a man. He was the first man. The animals and plants cannot think that the way we can think. We can think. They cannot talk. But Adam could do these things. Allah gives him the gift of speech. He gave him the gift of mind to think with. Allah is the giver. Allah is the giver of life, who made the whole world. Allah made the beautiful earth. He filled the earth with many beautiful things. Allah created us. He created the world and everything in it. Allah is the all-powerful. He creates us. He guides us. He gives us foods. He gives us drink when we are ill. He is the one who cures us. He gives life. He causes death. He forgives our mistakes. He hears our prayers. And how will He hear us? Yes, Allah hears everything, whether we say in quietly or loudly. He even hears the silent cry of the heart. He hears even a whisper. He hears our prayers even if we don't use any word. He alone has the power to hear us so wonderfully. Nobody else can hear as Allah does. Allah hears us. He hears everything. He is so wonderful a hearer that He hears all the people in the life, all the people in the world at the same time. We can pray to Allah in our 5 daily prayers, but it is wonderful to pray to Him at any time of the day and night. We can pray to Him in our beds. We can pray to Him in our cars. We can pray to Him wherever we are. You can pray to Allah. You can pray to Him to make your daily work easy. You can pray to Him to get you out of your troubles and problems. You can pray to Him to make your wishes come true. Ask Him for help. Ask only Him for help. You can ask Him for help quietly or loudly. He hears everything all the time. And how well He hears. Allah can hear us even without moving our lips. He is as-Sami'. As-Sami'. To believe in Him and to have faith in Him is a part of our Iman.